Traceability optimizes your production processes and improves transparency not only within plants. RFID assigns each object a unique digital ID, providing all necessary data for immediate traceability. The wide range of options of Balluff industrial RFID systems can operate different frequency at the same time and enables seamless communication with the controller via the bus systems or the IO-Link protocol. Contactless exchange of information in large volume. They can minimize errors and increase efficiency. Make all data available at all times. Precise, robust. Transparency for quality assurance. Track and trace an entire value chain. Lever efficiency and quality with Balluff industrial RFID systems.